Hey guys, so as of late, it seems like everyone is trying to scramble to find a new scapegoat since Hillary Clinton is now down in the polls again to Donald Trump. She is statistically tied according to Real Clear Politics averages, and everyone in the DC bubble wants to blame everyone but Hillary Clinton. You have a Mother Jones article where they blame Bernie Sanders. You have the Mother Jones editor in chief blaming millennials. You have other people blaming millennials. You have people blaming Obamacare and other people blaming Jill Stein, of course. And for me, I kind of wanted to add my voice to this conversation and argue that we should be putting the blame on one person only, the individual who is running against Donald Trump, Hillary Clinton. So I wrote an article for the Huffington Post titled, "If Trump Wins, Blame Clinton." And this is kind of me just pushing back against this narrative that is anti-millennial, anti-progressive, anti-Bernie Sanders, and saying, no, if it's the case that Donald Trump wins, that's Hillary Clinton's fault for running a terrible campaign. So I wanted to share this with you guys and give you the opportunity to check it out and share it if you like it, because when you share it, that will increase the chances that it will be featured on the Huffington Post, and I'm getting a lot of great feedback on it so far. So I figured I would come to my viewers and let you guys read it. And my goal is twofold. One, like I said, I want to push back against this narrative to blame millennials. But two, I also want to make sure that I give you guys a voice, because I really felt like I wanted to rant, and that's why this article is longer than I had initially anticipated. But I'm hoping that it resonates with you guys, and you can read it and feel as though I'm venting for you. So hopefully you guys enjoy the article. Check it out, share it if you like it. Thanks so much, guys.